Here's the road entrance to 84, the Ocean View lot. I'm just going to walk it, it's easier to show it to you that way. Here's the entrance. Here you can even start to see the Golfo Dulce there. There's a huge building pad. It's Cano Island out there, the coast. You can see the huge panoramic views here. I don't know if it's shown up in the video, but you can see part of the golf course there. There's the driveway again. The jungle behind you. Still walking on the building pad here. This will give you a good idea as to the size and the views. There you can see the golf course a lot better. Down there. Incredible ocean views.